In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Nintendo Switch Pro controller not connecting to your Switch. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is going to work with the original Switch or the Switch 2, keep that in mind, but grab your Pro controller and up at the top of the controller, go ahead and press and hold down on that sync button. After a second or two, you should see the indicator light at the bottom start flashing. If the lights do not flash, even after holding it for about 10 seconds, your controller is likely out of battery. In that case, grab a USB-C charging cable, plug it in the controller and the other end onto your dock or console, and just let it charge for about 5 to 10 minutes. After charging, hold that sync button again and the lights should now flash. If the lights are flashing but the controller still won't connect, go ahead and use your joysticks and go to System Settings and open it up. Scroll down to the very bottom into System itself and go ahead and select System Update. And after the update does finish, go ahead and try connecting the controller again. If it's still not connecting though, or you didn't have an update, it could be a software glitch and you're going to want to restart your Switch itself. So hold the power button up at the very top. You're going to see power options appear. Go ahead and select that on the Switch itself and then go ahead and choose restart. And whenever it turns back on, you're going to want to manually pair your controllers. So go to the controller tab from the home menu itself, right down in the very bottom, select this and then go ahead and select change grip or order and then hold the sync button on the top of the Pro controller again until the lights flash and the controller should appear. Hit A and you'll be good to go. One of these methods would fix your Pro controller connection issue on Switch or Switch 2. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.